two. Oh, 1 2. Oh, 1 2. Oh, 1 2. Oh, 1 2.
Hi, and welcome to Synthesis 101. In these videos, we'll show you the basics of synthesis. In this video, we're gonna take a look at oscillators. An oscillator is the part of the synthesizer where it starts generating sounds. It does so by generating different kinds of waveforms. Here we have a Korg Minilogue. The oscillators can generate three kinds of waveforms: a sawtooth wave, a triangle wave, and a square wave. As you can hear, the waveforms also sound differently. This is because they each contain a different set of frequencies at different volumes. With the switch right next to the waveform selector, we can adjust the octave of an oscillator. For more detailed pitch adjustments, you can use the pitch knob. This changes the fine pitch of this oscillator. By turning the shape knob, we can adjust the exact shape of the waveform. You can see the result in the display. This synthesizer has two oscillators. In the mixer, all oscillators are mixed together. Turn the knobs to adjust their output levels. It also has a third oscillator that generates noise, which is useful for creating non-melodic sounds like drums and percussion. Now you have learned the basics of oscillators. Thanks for watching this introduction to synthesis. Consider subscribing for more content about music production.